lovelies. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel today. You guys, today we have another Microsoft job, you guys. This job pays up to $282,000, you guys, to be a program manager. You guys, we are going to jump right into this job. But before we do, you guys, I do have my shout outs of the day. And I have some special news. Okay, you guys. So, uh, you guys know that I love helping you guys. So, I am always trying to improve on everything that I do because I really want you guys to land the jobs that I am posting. So, what I have done basically over these past 2 weeks, I have been testing a new resume template, you guys. So, since the resume template, I have been testing with some of my clients. They are working, you guys. So, what I did was, instead of the old ones, I did upload this new one. It is a new release, you guys. And if you guys have bought the resume template in the past, then you're able to keep that version. All you have to do is email me at samantha@samthecareercoach.com. Email me your receipt and I will send you this for free. But if you guys have not purchased, it is in there. So I added a new template, you guys, to the resume template kit. This one is absolutely amazing, you guys. Absolutely amazing. So instead of instead of 5 templates, you have 6. Okay, you guys. So let's get right down to my shout outs of the day. I have Michael. Okay, so Michael got an offer for $164,000, you guys. He used the virtual rewrite session. I'm telling you, that virtual rewrite session actually works, you guys. My clients are landing interviews and jobs from the virtual rewrite session. And that template, the new template, is included in that one. I'm going to encourage you guys to use the new template because when I tell you there are people getting responses from that template. I told you I tested it out and it works, you guys. So if you have not purchased from the template kit or if you have not purchased the virtual rewrite session, get to purchasing, you guys, because it's in there and they're working. Okay, we got one from Sheena. Sheena got 132,000. She did the DIY kit, y'all. She did the DIY kit, you guys, and she got her offer. And then we got Miss Lisa. Miss Lisa, she booked a call when I was still available, you guys, and she got her offer for $137,000, you guys. So, you guys, like I said before, please be patient. I will be emailing you guys, the ones who have purchased. I will be emailing you guys that template for free. And for the ones who have not purchased yet, you guys, they're in the template. They are in the template kit and it's in the rewrite session. I included it in the rewrite session. You guys, go get the template kit or go get that virtual rewrite session, you guys, because it is working. Okay, now let's go out to the inspiration of the day. So the inspiration of the day is something that I had to meditate on today, and I want to share with you guys because, like I said, we are a family here, okay? So the inspiration of the day is I have already come so very far, but I know for certain that God is going to take me further. That is the inspiration of the day. So I want you guys to type that into the comment section. I want you to meditate on that today while you're writing your resume. Write that resume so that God can take you forward. Okay? All right, you guys. So let's get right into the video. So this program management job, you guys, and like I said, all of the skills, everything that you need is listed in the virtual rewrite session. Literally, you can sit there and rewrite your resume today for this program management job, you guys. This program management job is awesome. This program manager job is fully remote. And for those people that say, oh, you need a degree, no. Listen to the information, and this is why I break it down on my channel. All of the jobs that I post, well, 90% of the jobs that I post says equivalent experience or equivalent experience, you guys. And you guys have the skills, you have the experience. In the virtual rewrite session, basically, I am just rewording. The virtual rewrite session is me basically rewording the experience that a project manager does, and I put it there for you guys, so all you have to do is literally copy and paste. Now, if you get the DIY section, the DIY session is basically you doing it yourself. But for the virtual rewrite session, I have rewritten everything from your bio to your experience, the duties, and the skill set, you guys. And I'm showing you guys how to tailor your resume in that virtual rewrite session. So there is no reason that you shouldn't be getting that virtual rewrite session. And like I said, both kits come with the new template. I highly encourage you guys to get the new template. And when you get the new template, you guys, it's going to say request access. Do not click that button. Just click make a copy. Read the instructions, you guys. And like I said, I will be emailing that out today. All you have to do is send me your receipt, and I will email you the new template and the instructions. So you guys, let's jump right into this job on this good old Sunday. Let's go, you guys. Hey guys, this is a very, very good job. So what I want you to do on this wonderful Sunday, I want you to rewrite and pray, okay? Okay, guys, rewrite and pray, because I want better for you. I want better for you. So if you have not got your DIY kit, get it today, baby. Get it today so you can rewrite and pray. But it's the virtual rewrite session. That virtual rewrite session is the money, you guys. That is the money, okay? So use both of them today, because I want your resumes in the hiring manager's inbox. So when they get up on Monday, this is why I do Sunday videos, so that by the time they get up on Monday, they have your resume. So let's go right into the overview right now. Right, you guys, so we're going to skip the first paragraph, read that on your own. It says we are looking for a principal program manager or people manager. So if you have been in HR, go fill out for this job. I mean immediately. To join the team to drive end-to-end development of Microsoft custom silicon accelerator projects that have a significant impact to the business and Azure. This candidate will collaborate with both internal Microsoft teams and external suppliers. If you are an experienced program management leader with a broad background in silicon development, enterprise data center, and a desire to work with some of the world's most talented engineers to deliver the hardware that drives the cloud, then this is the opportunity for you. This is an excellent opportunity to work on next generation architecture and provide innovative solutions to customers, you guys. So it basically sounds like you are going to be in the data center, okay? You're going to be the project manager in the data center, and you are going to work with the engineers. You're going to deliver that hardware, you guys. You guys, this job sounds so much harder than it actually is. I want you guys to know that more than likely, these companies, what they do is on-the-job training. So do not disqualify yourself, you guys. If you have the required qualifications, get that resume kit, get the virtual rewrite session, you guys. Book and apply, okay? Do not psych yourself out for this job. So let's go down to the requirements since we're here. It says bachelor's degree and 6 years experience in engineers, project, technical program management, data analysis, or project development, or equivalent experience. Keywords, or 4+ years people management experience, HR experience, you guys, HR experience, 3+ years experience Managing cross-functional teams. If you are a manager and you have to manage teams, that is what I have rewritten in the virtual rewrite session, you guys. And it says experience in silicon development. Other requirements: able to meet Microsoft customer and or government security screening requirements. So if you're able to pass their background check, you're good to go. Okay, so preferred qualification. This is preferred. This is not required, you guys. It says 15 plus years of large scale silicon engineering, including program management or technical roles, breadth of knowledge of various phases of silicon development processes, experience with developing highly integrated hardware software solutions, experience with analog and mixed signals IPs, ability to work with ambiguity and across teams, excellent communication and collaborative skills, you guys. So basically what they're saying, that's are their preferred qualifications. But you guys have to understand, I'm going to reiterate this. When you are applying for these jobs, do not underestimate yourself and your abilities. That is why for the virtual rewrite section, I listed all of the duties that a program manager would do, and I gave you phrases for every one of those duties, every one of those skills. You can literally rewrite your resume within 10 minutes. And another thing that I'm going to tell you guys is that most likely when you are at these companies, they are going to train you, okay? So stop saying that you cannot do this job. This job sounds so much harder than it actually is on paper, you guys. They are going to teach you. They are going to, more than likely, you're going to do on the job training before you actually start the job, you guys. So do not psych yourself out. If you have those qualifications, the required qualifications, put that resume in, okay? Now let's go down to the responsibilities. It says drive technical projects from requirements through launch, including managing complex project schedules, removing roadblocks and keeping processes running smoothly. Partner closely with cross-functional teams to define, prioritize, and implement features, infrastructure, processes, and workflows. Create and optionalize processes to transform the effectiveness of the organization. Coach, enable, and grow project managers within the team and our partners. And I want you guys to really look at that one. It says coach and enable. Most of you guys are doing that on your job anyway, because when you are coaching and you are mentoring your coworkers, you guys, and that's why on the virtual rewrite session, this is one of the things that I have wrote in leading teams. Now, they did not say anything about all the technical stuff. They are giving you basically the same, they're giving you basically they're asking for the same skills that I have put in the virtual rewrite section, you guys. And when you get the virtual rewrite session, those key skills are what they're going to be looking for in the resume, you guys. And like I said, I'm going to teach you in the virtual resume, the virtual rewrite session, how to tailor your job, how to tailor your resume for this job and any program or project management job. You guys do not be afraid of this job, okay? This job is super simple. And to be honest, you have been doing this anyway at your jobs. Anyway, it says align key stakeholders and manage projects through milestones to completion on schedule and in budget. Communicate and present program plans and status with management. Monitor and measure engineering impact and performance results by tracking key performance indicators. Manage engagement with IP vendors. It does not say anything about being technical, you guys. What it says, what this responsibility is basically the key skills that a program manager already does. And those key skills are included within the virtual resume rewrite session. And that's why, you guys, I made the virtual resume rewrite session for these all of the jobs on my channel. You can apply that virtual rewrite session to every job that I'm going to post and every job that I have already posted, you guys. So let's get down to the pay. Let's get down to the pay, okay? So this one says that the typical base pay for this role is $133,000 to $256,000. But if you are living in San Francisco, New York metropolitan area, then of course that pay is going up. So that pay will be $173,000 to $282,000, you guys, depending on where you are. You guys, I'm not going to say it again. Take this Sunday to rewrite your resume. I want your resume rewritten via the DIY kit. You can do it yourself, or the virtual rewrite session, you guys. The virtual rewrite session is basically me in front of you. It is 100% my words, okay? 100% my words. I know what they want on these jobs, and that is why I made the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. So take today, rewrite your resume, you guys, and pray, okay? I am a praying woman. I love it. So take this day for you, rewrite, rejuvenate, and pray, you guys. Rejuvenate that resume, pray, and put this in their inbox on Sunday so they can wake up to your resume on Monday, you guys. Okay, take care of each other, you guys, and go cop them kits so that you guys are able to apply for this job tonight. You can literally write your resume in 15 minutes and apply for this job tonight. All right, you guys. Take care of yourself and take care of others. Bye.